You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this very interesting spelling of a verb. Yes, I know, it looks like it should be said shoe, just like chew, right? But it's actually pronounced in English as show. Yes, I believe that this is a bit of an archaic verb. It's not used that much anymore, but it's pronounced show, just like S-H-O-W, you know, that show verb. It's a different spelling, but it's the same pronunciation, show. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.